Hello, I am Gökay Şatır and I will present you the modifications we did for global keyboard shortcuts in Collabora Online and LibreOffice. Contents: why we keep up with the common shortcuts and what we have done so far. Why we keep up with the common shortcuts. Collabora Online and LibreOffice desktop application are used by millions of people around the world. While Collabora Online gets more attention every day, there are many people switching from other Office suites to Collabora Online. In this case, people usually look for similarities between applications. Though every application has its own way for certain things, similarities make the switch between applications easier. One of the first things when it comes to getting used to an application after a switch is shortcuts. One of our goals is to have common shortcuts with other Office suites. If updating a shortcut to make it same with common habits doesn't conflict with the LibreOffice way of things, we update the shortcut. This provides new users a smoother switch from other Office suites. And what we have done so far. We worked on German language shortcuts. For this, we checked different Office suites and tried to pick generally used shortcuts. Then we filtered them and updated LibreOffice shortcuts for German language where possible. We are aiming to provide comfortable usage for everyone. We hope these changes allow German users to experience a smoother switch from other Office suites. Thank you for listening.